In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create template in ClickUp for beginners. Whether you're setting up your first workspace or just want to speed up repeatable work, I'll walk you through a simple, reliable flow and share tips so you feel confident. First, head to ClickUp. Open your workspace and make sure you're on the area where you want the template to live. In ClickUp, a space is a top-level container for related work, like a department or major project. So creating or applying a template at this level helps you keep everything consistent. Next, choose the space you want to work in. On that space's header, look for the small plus icon next to its title. Click it. This is your quick Create menu, and it's the fastest way to build from something that already works. From the menu, click Templates. This opens the template gallery for your space. Think of it as a library of ready-to-use structures, lists, tasks, and views, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel each time. When the gallery opens, you'll see filters at the top. If your results look too limited, remove any active search filters to widen the pool. Clearing filters is great when you're browsing broadly or just want to see what's available. If you know roughly what you need, use the filters to narrow the results. You can sort or filter by attributes, and you can also click Created By to focus on templates from a specific source. Narrowing your view helps you compare only the most relevant options. Now, start typing in the search bar what you're looking for. Use clear keywords like marketing, sprint, or onboarding to surface better matches. The search will update as you type, so adjust keywords if you're not seeing what you expect. Once you've found a promising match, select it. Before you save, give the template a meaningful name so your team can recognize it later. Then, control the display to fit your workflow. This usually means choosing which views or fields are shown, setting the default layout, and confirming any visibility or sharing options. A quick review here ensures that what you save is exactly what users will see when they use it. Finally, save your changes. Your template is now ready to use inside that space, so you can apply it the next time you need the same structure, saving you setup time and keeping your work consistent. That's it. You headed to ClickUp, opened templates from your space, adjusted filters, searched, chose a design, renamed it, set how it displays, and saved. You're ready to build faster with confidence.